3 things that made me to become a consistent and a profitable trader. Now, most people are struggling to make profits in the market, and most traders are struggling to come up with a strategy to become profitable and consistent in the market. A couple years ago, I was also in the same situation where I was really struggling to make money. I had just left college and I wanted to become a successful trader. I used to stare at my laptop for a number of days and hours trying to figure out what the chart is doing or what is happening in the market. And then I found out that everything that I was doing was probably good, but I was doing it the wrong way. And that is where I found the magic. You see, when it comes to trading, a lot of people think it's about the trading strategy itself, probably a pennant or double top or a double bottom or anything like that. Even indicators can be used as part of the strategy, but I tend to disagree. I believe that a trader is made up of 3 things that makes him good and profitable at the same time. Now, I want you to take your pen and paper because there's some learning that you need to do. The number one thing that most people really underestimate and really don't know how to do is to plan for their trades. You see, if you do not plan for your trades ahead before you take them, you are most probably going to be taken down by the market or even completely blowing your own account. So most people ignore the simple and the most powerful thing that you can use, which is planning your trades. Now, most people will think of it like a trading plan, and which is true, right? A trading plan will assist you into how you're really going to trade this week or this month or this year. And then that also includes the numbers, the number of pips or the number of dollars that you want to make, including the risk management that you are going to be doing, which is the next point that I want to talk about. Risk management is the second and one of the most important things that can make up your powerful strategy or approach into the market. 95% of traders lose 95% of their investment in their first 90 days. And this is a proven fact. Now, how do you become part of the 5% or 6% who is consistently making money and profit out of the Forex market? Let's talk about risk management. The ability to manage your risk and emotions when you're about to take a trade is amazing. People think when you're managing your risk is when you're using a smaller lot size or you're taking multiple trades or lesser trades. Well, it does contain some of that information, but really risk management it is probably part of how much your account is in relation to the lot size that you're going to be using, and also a number of pips, and also the stop loss included that you want to be using in that trade. Now, that is the second thing that I want you to know about, which is risk management. The third and the last thing is the ability to execute. Once you find the ability to execute the trades that you have planned without emotions, you are probably going to start making consistent profit and money in the market. This is by far one of the most serious things that people ignore in the market, and sometimes they tend to take late trades or anything outside their plan because they lack the ability to execute their plans. They don't know when to execute their plans, when to get rid of it, or when to stick to their plan. Execution is one of the most powerful things that people or traders tend to forget. And guys, to be honest with you, those are the most important things that every trader should look for and should master in their lives, in their trading career, so that they become consistent and profitable in their trading career. Now, I want to extend an invitation to you to come and join us on our next bootcamp that is starting very soon. Go and book your seat at a one-off payment where I'll be showing you secret tips and tricks of the Forex and the financial market. I will show you how to plan your trades very well. I will show you how to manage your risk and how to calculate your risk. I will also show you how to manage your emotions before you even take those trades and be able to execute with ease and confidence in the market. I will also show you how to execute your trades with ease and with confidence in the market so that you are able to consistently make money out of the Forex market. Come and join me on my next online Forex bootcamp where I will be showing you all of these things. click on the link below and sign up, make a once-off payment, and we will get back to you to confirm your booking. See you on the other side of the withdrawals. Shalom.